27 verified health benefits of red cabbage. Who doesn't know about cabbage? Yes, cabbage is round leafy vegetable that commonly used by people around the world. Cabbages come in various color, green, purple and red. Red cabbage is less popular than the green one, but it has rich nutrients and more benefits rather than the green cabbage. The red cabbage is belong to Brassicacea family, same with their realtives such as broccoli, collards, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. Nutrition fact: red cabbage contains lots of vitamins, minerals and phytochemicals, and it considered as superfood. Unlike other cruciferous plant, red cabbage is more unique since it provides a big quantity of anthocyanins. Anthocyanins is qualify not only as antioxidant nutrients, but also as anti-inflammatory nutrients. It is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C and vitamin B complex. Red cabbage also an excellent source of minerals such as manganese, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Health benefits of red cabbage are very important since it could be first source of multiple vitamins. Red cabbage is great source of nutrients and it provides many benefits to the body. Here are some benefits of red cabbage that you can gain by consuming red cabbage regularly. 1. Promote healthy digestion. Red cabbage provides dietary fiber which significantly promotes the digestion tract function. Fiber add bulk to the stool and make it easier to absorb by the intestine. If you want to have healthy digestion, consuming red cabbage can be a good option. 2. Prevent constipation. Constipation is common problem that occur due to disturbance of large intestine function. Constipation usually happen when your diet lack of fiber. Red cabbage contains high level of dietary fiber that not only promotes healthy digestion but also help the stool to pass large intestine or colon easier and relieve constipation. 3. Improve immune system. Nothing more fascinating rather than getting these benefits. Just like other type of plant, red cabbage contains high level of antioxidant, especially anthocyanin, and rich in vitamin C that are well known as immune system booster. Consuming red cabbage will help your immune system function, especially to fight disease. 4. Prevent scurvy. Have you ever heard that people who used to sail in long voyage or sailors often suffer from scurvy? Yet scurvy is an oral disease which occur due to lack of vitamin C. Red cabbage contains high level of vitamin C, and even higher than green cabbage. Making sauerkraut from red cabbage will be a solution to get the benefits of vitamin C, but it doesn't mean that red cabbage can't be enjoyed in different way. 5. Maintain healthy skin. Some people in France, especially women, have their own beauty treatment. They used ground cabbage to maintain their skin beauty by applying it as face mask. The pigment anthocyanins and other vitamins in red cabbage can be useful to maintain beauty skin. It prevent the effect of free radicals and promote new skin cell formation. 6. Fight cancer. No wonder if red cabbage categorized as superfood. Red cabbage is fantastic source of antioxidant, especially anthocyanins. According to study, anthocyanins which contained in red cabbage can fight free radicals effect to the body and prevent oxidation stress. Oxidation stress can cause DNA damage and begin the growth of cancer cells. Red cabbage also contains glucosinolates which can inhibit cancer cells' growth in the body. According to a study which published in the Journal of Horticulture, Forestry and Biotechnology, red cabbage regularly can simply protect your body from certain types of cancer such as breast, intestine and colorectal cancer. 7. Treat skin disorder. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which presence in red cabbage can be an effective treatment for skin disorder such as eczema. This benefits is also supported by the presence of sulfur in red cabbage. Sulfur is mineral which is well known as ingredients of many skin medication. 8. Prevent heart disease. Red cabbage is good choice for maintain healthy heart. It contains some amount of potassium which play important role in keeping normal heartbeat. Fiber and the antioxidant in red cabbage also can reduce the number of bad fat or low-density lipoprotein, LDL, in the blood, which can increase the risk of heart disease. 9. Relieve upset stomach. If you feel uncomfortable and don't want to eat anything, try to eat red cabbage. It gives good feeling to your stomach and can reduce nausea after you consume it. Just mix it with other ingredients as salad or just eat it as side dish while you eat other meal. 10. Treat ulcer. Anti-inflammatory properties in red cabbage can treat stomach ulcer and fasten its healing process. It protects stomach lining from stomach acid, which can make the ulcer worse. Consuming red cabbage in some amount during the day will make your stomach feel better. 11. Maintain healthy brain. Brain is one of the most important organ in the body. Brain damage or any problem that occur in the brain can be so serious. Red cabbage contains some minerals such as magnesium and manganese, which contributes in the brain cell protection and maintain healthy nerve function. Consuming red cabbage regularly can also keep the body from having magnesium deficiency, which lead to several nerve problems. 12. Prevent eye disorder. Red cabbage health benefits also best for prevent eye disorder. If you want to have bright eye and stay away from any eyes disorder, just include the red cabbage into your meal. Red cabbage contains high anthocyanins and vitamins that protect the eyes from damage and improve vision. According to study, people who consume red cabbage regularly have better vision compared to them who consume lack of vegetables and fruit in their diet. 13. Increase metabolism. Vitamin B complex are the cofactor of some metabolic enzyme, and they keep the normal metabolism occur inside the cells. The absence of these vitamins will give bad effect to whole body. Metabolism is the main process of energy production, and you can imagine what will happen if we don't have enough energy to do our activities. Red cabbage certainly provides us with its abundant amount of vitamin B complex. 14. Slower aging process. Everyone wanna stay young, but sometimes some people are just too lazy to care about their lifestyle, especially their meal. Lack of vegetable and fruits making a bad diet and will make you grow old. The antioxidant and vitamin contained in most vegetable, including red cabbage, have ability to slower aging process and will keep your body stay young. 15. Purify the blood. Sulfur has ability to detox or purify the blood from toxic or harmful substance. It also enhance liver function to get rid of those harmful toxin. Try to consume red cabbage daily and feel the difference when your body get detoxified. You will feel better and lighter body, also clearer mind. 16. Reduce the symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis, or known as rheumatoid arthritis, is disorder which is the symptoms of autoimmune disease. People who suffer arthritis will always feel pain on the joint and they need regular medication. Red cabbage contains high anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in joint and reduce the pain. It is a good news for arthritis patient. 17. Help in weight loss. Eating a bunch of red cabbage will surely make you feel full, but you don't need to worry since it has very low calories and will not increase your weight. The fiber content in red cabbage also bind the fat and prevent the absorption of fat inside the body. If you are on diet and wanna have slimmer waist, you can try to consume it for sure. 18. Reduce infection. By improving immune system function, red cabbage also can help to reduce infection. Red cabbage contains some amount of glucosinolates that can protect the tissue and organ from infection, especially which is caused by microorganism. 19. Fasten wound healing. The Greeks and Romans believed that cabbage can be used to treat external wound. Just wrap the cabbage on the wound and it will heal faster. This benefits is true since red cabbage contains anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation on wound and also antioxidant that promotes the regeneration of skin. 20. Keeping normal cholesterol level. Fiber can not only promote healthy digestion but it also reduce cholesterol level within the blood. Fiber can block the cholesterol from entering blood vessel or arteries wall and prevent from arteries thickening or atherosclerosis. So, by consuming red cabbage regularly, you give better protection to your cardiovascular system. 21. Lower blood pressure. Red cabbage contains some amounts of potassium that can help to maintain normal blood pressure. As we know that hypertension is one of serious health problem that's suffered by most people nowadays, and people who suffer from hypertension must choose their food well. Red cabbage is not only delicious but it can be a great snack and food for hypertension patient. 22. Promotes shiny hair. The sulfur content in red cabbage can purify the blood and it enhance the nutrient absorption by the hair roots. Consuming red cabbage regularly can give awesome aid to your hair by make it shiny and glossy. 23. Prevent anemia. Red cabbage is good source of iron that can prevent the body from anemia. Anemia is a condition when the body lack of red blood cells and oxygen transport, which resulting in weak body and low stamina. 24. Strengthen bones. Calcium is important in maintaining bone strength. By consuming red cabbage you have provide your body with some amounts of calcium that can keep the bone's mass and density, also prevent from osteoporosis. 25. Relieve stress. Red cabbage contains magnesium, which is best to cure depression and stress. Magnesium play important role in the nerve function and trigger the brain to release several neurotransmitter which give calming effect and reduce depression. 26. Cure headache. Drinking red cabbage smoothie is believed can reduce and cure headache. Just mix some red cabbage with some blueberry, frozen banana, milk or yogurt, then blend it as smoothies. Drink it before you go to bed and feel the benefits. The magnesium and other nutrients content in red cabbage smoothies can calm the nerve and brain and reduce pain sensation within the head. 27. Maintain healthy nails. Red cabbage can be called as beauty foods since it give lots of wonderful benefits for skin, hair and even nails. Yellow or broken nails is a sign that your body may experience lack of magnesium. Consuming red cabbage regularly can help to maintain your nail and make it more beautiful. The sulfur content of red cabbage also contributes in keeping your beauty nails. Health risk of red cabbage. Even red cabbage provided us with abundant nutrients, it not recommended to consume it excessively. Excessive consumption of red cabbage can cause several problems such as flatulence. Just like other type of cruciferous plant, they produce more gas in stomach, hypothyroidism, thyroid gland disorder, and diarrhea. Person who are under medication of blood thinner has to avoid red cabbage consumption because it contains high amount of vitamin K that can cause blood clotting.